Title: How to Send Ethereum with MetaMask to boobersmack.eth. Introduction. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to send Ethereum using MetaMask to the address boobersmack.eth. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your MetaMask wallet. The first thing you need to do is make sure your MetaMask wallet is open and unlocked. If you don't have MetaMask installed, you can easily find it as a browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, or any other compatible browser. Step 2. Ensure you have sufficient Ether. Double-check that you have enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet to cover the transaction. If you need to buy Ethereum, you can do so on popular exchanges like Coinbase or Binance and then transfer it to your MetaMask wallet. Step 3. Click on the Send button. Once you're ready, click on the Send button within your MetaMask wallet. It's usually located at the top of the interface and looks like an arrow pointing upwards. Step 4. Enter the recipient address in the To field, paste or type the recipient's Ethereum address, which in this case is boobersmack.eth. MetaMask will automatically resolve this address to the underlying Ethereum address associated with it. Step 5. Specify the amount. Next, specify the amount of Ethereum you want to send. Make sure you have enough to cover any transaction fees. MetaMask will also calculate and display the estimated gas fees for the transaction. Step 6. Review transaction details before you hit the Next button. Take a moment to review the transaction details. Ensure the recipient's address is correct and the amount is accurate. Step 7. Customize gas fees. Optional. If you want to customize the gas fees for your transaction, you can do so by clicking the Edit button next to the gas fee estimate. You can choose between slow, average, or fast options or set a custom gas price. Step 8. Confirm and sign the transaction speaker. Once you're satisfied with the transaction details and gas fees, click the Next button. MetaMask will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Review the details one more time, and when you're ready, click Confirm to sign the transaction. Step 9. Wait for confirmation speaker. After confirming, you'll see a confirmation screen. Now, all you need to do is wait for the Ethereum network to process your transaction. This may take a few moments or longer, depending on network congestion. Step 10. Transaction complete. Speaker. Congratulations! You've successfully sent Ethereum to boobersmack.eth using MetaMask. You can check the status of your transaction on the Ethereum Blockchain Explorer to ensure it went through. Conclusion: sending Ethereum with MetaMask is quick and straightforward. Just remember to double-check the recipient's address and transaction details before confirming. And that's it. You're now well on your way to navigating the world of cryptocurrency transactions. Happy crypto adventures!